Women's suffrage in NZ. I'm to skuxxing for M8. New Zealand was the first country to give the vote to women in 1893. Even though it only let the vote go to white women and didn't extend the vote to go to women of color, it was a start in the right direction. WCTU, Women's Christian Temperance Union, and one of their leaders, Kate Shepherd, had a big part to play in this because they were the people pushing for this decision to be made. Women not having many rights back then led to lots of smaller incidents, like when Keithia Scott pretended to be a boy so she didn't have to undergo bad pay. When Kate Shepherd compiled all of the signatures she got in 1893, she delivered them to Parliament and then it was declared a new law. WCTU is an acronym for Women's Christian Temperance Union. They were a group of like-minded women in New Zealand that only wanted the best for women. Kate Shepherd was one of the main leaders of the group and then became the representative of the women's suffrage petition. Kate Shepherd sent all three of her petitions from Christchurch. In 1891 the petition got over 9,000 signatures. Then the next year, 1892, it got over 20,000 signatures. Then the year that Kate gave all of the signatures to Parliament, 1,893. They had gathered over 32,000 signatures. Another one of WCTU's goals was to ban alcohol in New Zealand. That obviously didn't work out in the end, but lots of men used that as an argument for women not to vote. They argued that if they let women vote they will make new unnecessary stupid laws like banning alcohol and such things like that. But in the end it wasn't just Kate and WCTU that were the victors. It was the women all across New Zealand who finally got what they deserved. In today's society it is completely crazy to think of the idea of women not being able to vote. We still have some issues with sexism and equal pay, but people like Christine Bartlett have not let us down and there are many more heroes to come. Kate Shepherd has now been featured on the New Zealand $10 note as a celebrity of New Zealand for letting our country be the first to let women vote. Next to Kate Shepherd is a white camellia. This is what the people in Parliament wore if they supported that women should vote in New Zealand. New Zealand is now a strong country that takes pride in the accomplishments it has made. And this is what made it all possible. 1893 New Zealand, 1902 Australia, 1906 Finland, 1913 Norway, 1915 Denmark, 1917 Canada, 1918 Austria, Germany, Poland, Russia, 1919 Netherlands, 1920 United States, 1921 Sweden, 1928 Britain, Ireland, 1930 South Africa, 1931 Spain, 1934 Turkey, 1944 France, 1945 Italy, 1947 Argentina, Japan, Mexico, Pakistan, 1949 China, 1950 India, 1954 Colombia, 1957 Malaysia, Zimbabwe, 1962 Algeria, 1963 Iran, Morocco, 1964 Libya, 1967 Ecuador, 1971 Switzerland, 1972 Bangladesh, 1974 Jordan, 1976 Portugal, 1989 Namibia, 1990 Western Samoa, 1993 Kazakhstan, Moldova, 2005 Kuwait, 2006 United Arab Emirates, 2011 Saudi Arabia.